All right, so some of the tools for today's project: my Farm Boss, the 290, of course some PPE, you know, my helmet, ear protection, gloves, and new, I'll do a later video on this, the GTA 26. This is the electric still pruner. I'm going to use that along with my rope along. Of course, I have a ladder here. If you notice, this tree, this alder, is leaning way to the left, which is towards my septic field mound here, the sand. Of course, our camp trailer, pump house, and stuff up that way, but I need it to go this way. So we're going to use this, maybe some wedges too, to convince this to go the other way. I'm probably going to have to get that rope a little higher to get enough leverage so that it doesn't overcome the forces. We'll see. So let's get started. It wasn't pretty, but it worked. I'm definitely not a professional faller, but I wanted a little more to the left, but went right basically in the general direction I wanted to go. My face was ugly, but probably should have sharpened my chain before I started. But even though this alder had, you know, dull enough that, whew, sorry, it's dull enough that I didn't get, you know, wasn't cut very good. So, and I had, I'll switch you around here. You see, I had the rope. I mean, we're talking 20 feet, 25 feet up a 35, 45 foot tall tree. So that thing is a saver, man. I'm telling you, if you're living on a homestead and you need to, you know, an extra hand, that rope along is your extra hand. So, all right, full review later. Thanks for watching. Okay, so you saw what I started with. Here's the tools I ended with. I added a few more. I had a machete to help clear out some of the blackberries to get down to where I needed an axe, some wedges, the D-ring I ended up using, of course, and a strap to go around the tree because it was a large tree. So, and of course I had a ladder, but there's some other ways to get the rope up there. So that's how it all ended, and with a big mess. So, all right, so if you're interested in what we do here at Ravenwood Acres, you can check out our website, theravenwoodacres.com. You can follow us via our social media link down below. Subscribe to the channel. Check out our homesteading, rural living playlist here, linked in the video. And as always, stay tuned for more and have a great day. Thanks for watching.